The word we'll be learning in this section is oru, which you will often hear in situations when discussing paper crafts, accidents, or any activity involving manipulation or alteration of solid objects. The word oru means to fold something, whether it's paper or any flexible item. It can also mean to break something by bending it, such as a twig or a bone. In general, it involves changing the shape of something by applying pressure. The first kanji means folding or breaking, the idea of bending something until it snaps or creases. In oreru, it keeps that core sense, showing something bends or breaks. In origami, it contributes the idea of folding, because that word is all about folding paper into shapes. The character can also suggest an occasion or chance in other compounds, like the sense of a particular moment to act. Fold origami. Origami o oru. Origami o oru. I recently broke a bone. 私は最近骨を折りました。私は最近骨を折りました。I break the tree branch. 私は木の枝を折ります。私は木の枝を折ります。His heart was broken. 彼は心を折った。彼は心を折った。The most common synonym of the word oru is tatamu, which generally means to fold something neatly, like clothes or paper, emphasizing a more orderly or tidy folding process. The most common antonym of the word oru is nobasu, which means to stretch or extend something. It differs from oru as it involves lengthening rather than bending or folding.